Today I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio to your Fiverr profile. Having a portfolio showcases your previous work and helps potential clients understand your skills and capabilities, making it much easier to land new projects. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can manage various aspects of your Fiverr presence. On your profile page, look for the Portfolio section. You'll see an option that says Start Portfolio. Click on it to begin creating your first portfolio project. This is where you'll showcase the work you're most proud of and want potential clients to see. Next, click Create New Project. A form will appear where you can input all the details about your project. Start by entering your project name in the designated field. Choose a name that's clear and descriptive, as this will be the first thing clients see when browsing your portfolio. Now select your industry by clicking the drop-down menu. Fiverr allows you to choose multiple industries, so feel free to select all that apply to your project. This helps categorize your work and makes it easier for the right clients to find you. After that, move on to the project duration field. Click the drop-down menu and select how long the project took to complete. Next, enter your project cost in the provided field. This gives potential clients an idea of your pricing range and the value of your work. Then, select when your project started by clicking the drop-down menu and choosing the appropriate date. Following that, you'll need to enter your project description in the designated field. This is your chance to explain what the project was about, what challenges you faced, and what results you achieved. Be detailed but concise, focusing on the aspects that demonstrate your expertise. Now navigate to the Attachments section and click Choose Files. Browse through your folder and select the file you want to upload, whether it's an image, document, or video that showcases your work. Once you've selected it, click Open to upload it to your project. You may need to wait a moment while the file uploads, especially if it's a larger file. After your file has uploaded, click Continue. You'll now be prompted to select your project category from the list by clicking the drop-down menu. Choose the category that best fits your project to ensure it appears in relevant searches. Finally, click Publish Project to make your portfolio entry live. Your project is now visible on your profile, and potential clients can view it when considering hiring you for their projects. And there you have it. You've successfully added a portfolio project to your Fiverr profile, making it easier for clients to see your work and trust your abilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.